Hello. Okay, we are going to be creating a box here, and we're going to be creating a box with a div tag. And a div tag is just a divided section. And in a section, we can put a paragraph with text, we can put headings, we can style the paragraph or the headings. We can style the divided section just itself. It doesn't have to have any type of text in it. We can do all kinds of different things with our div. So let's go ahead and create a really super simple, easy one. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to add our doc type, HTML. Okay, and then we add our HTML tags, open and close. I write them both at the same time so I don't forget about them. Okay, now we're not going to add our heading tag with our title in it because this is just an example. So we are going to just add our body tag. And remember, everything within the body tag is seen by our users. Okay, and there's our beginning body tag and our end body tag. Now let's go ahead and create our little divided section here. So there's our div tag open. Here's our div tag closed. Fantastic. Now let's go ahead and make a paragraph in here. So that is our paragraph open, paragraph close. And I'm going to say, I love dogs. Okay. And I see it right down here. So it's just a very simple little paragraph within a div. It's nested within this div. Okay. And those are nested within my body here. And I'll go ahead and remove these spaces so we can see a little better. All right. So now if I want to style my div, I go over here and I write div and I have my curly brackets. And then let's say I want to do a background color, because I like to start with colors because I am a colorful person. And actually, it's just a really fun way to teach. So there's my div. It's really super long and skinny. It just goes right across my screen. And within it, I have my paragraph that says, I love dogs. Fantastic. Wonderful. Doesn't look like much. It's not much. Let's go ahead and change the size of it. So height 100 pixels, width also 100 pixels. Okay, all right, now we're getting somewhere.